Pagod na agad? Stressed ka na ba, anak? Nako, totoo. Minsan kahit wala pang 10 a.m., parang ubos na agad ang energy, no? So many things to do, so many people to take care of. And when you're stressed, your mind runs everywhere. Iniisip mo pa lang ang mga kailangan mong gawin bukas, pero pagod ka na ngayon pa lang. Here's something simple but powerful. Breathe. Hindi mo kailangan ng equipment, hindi mo kailangan ng kung ano-anong ritual, just your breath. When you inhale deeply, you tell your body, safe ako. And when you exhale slowly, you release the tension that has been sitting in your chest. Baka nagtataka kayo na at my age, how I manage to stay calm. Well, anak, ito ang sekreto ko. Kaya let's try it together. Inhale for 4 counts. Exhale slowly for 6 counts. So inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yan. Do this 3 times. Mapapansin mo, bumabagal ang tibok ng puso mo. Gumagaan ang isip mo at mas nagiging malinaw ang susunod mong hakbang. You see, mindfulness starts with something so simple. Just your breath. It brings you back to the present moment, not to yesterday's mistake and not to tomorrow's worries. Ang lesson natin, anak, you cannot control everything, but you can control how you breathe. So, when you do, you take back your calm, one breath at a time. Take care of yourself naman para Business Pinoy ka rin.